Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. So today in this video, we are providing the solution of this question. Mega-Mart, discount store chain, is to build a new store in the Rock Springs. So they have provided a two columns, a tabular format, where one is the department and the other one is the profit per square feet. So we have provided a linear programming model of this problem using Excel solver. So let me go this. So this is my Excel solution. Here, as the question mentioned, we have one category is the men's clothing, women's clothing, children clothing, toys, etc., etc. And second one is the decision variables, where we have put the decision variables using Excel solver. So these values are being automatically calculated once we have provided our decision as per the constants. So these are our constants: maximum 14,000, 1,40,000 total floor space, and the minimum is this one. Then the maximum 20% of this one, and these one are our criteria-based variables. So the objective that we derived is 655,028.846, the maximized profit, or the objective we can say. Again, the question is saying in this part, these A and B, we already did that. So in the part A, they provided that the cost of the parcel is more like $19,000 million. And they are to increase the size of the store to 1,60,000 square feet. Then discuss whether the Mega-Mart should purchase the land and increase the planned size of the store. So here we go. Here, the cost as mentioned in the question is 1,90,000, and the total floor space will be 1,60,000. So we have used some of the formulas using Excel to compute these values. And again, the same, we use also the Excel solver. So the final value that we derived is 7,51,567.31. That's the final value that we derived from maximizing the profit. Again, the part B, this one, the profit per square feet, if they decrease by 20%, then the maximized profit would be 6,01,253.85. So if you require this Excel file, I will be sharing you my contact details in the description part of this video. So I hope you can just message me out and I will reach you out for this Excel file, and I will be emailing you or whatever. You can just send me. I will definitely share you. Thank you. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Bye bye.